to show you how easy it is to set up an email from leads to sales software. And this will be an email that will promote your video that you upload to your YouTube channel. Let's jump in. This is our demo account. I'm going to go here to marketing, and then I'm going to go to email campaigns. I'm going to click create campaign, and it's going to say, do you want to use a template? For the people who sign up for sales software, we already provide this template in here. All you do is click on select. Now what we have is a text box, an image, a text box, an image, a text box. We may need to do a little formatting. As a business owner, starting a YouTube channel should be part of your marketing strategy. Starting a YouTube channel takes time that you may not have. It also takes skills like video editing, research, and so much more. This is where a marketing virtual assistant comes in rather than hiring a video editor or bringing in on a part-time member. How much does a video editor cost? From $20 to $150 changes to per hour. How much does a marketing VA cost? Learn more in that video. Because remember, the whole purpose of this email is to get them to click on the video to go and watch your video on YouTube, which is going to give you watch time, and hopefully they're also going to subscribe and like your video. If you click here, it goes to the media section. You can click upload file and then choose a file from your computer to upload as an image. This image is actually stored in the software. Then we're going to make sure this link is the link to the actual video. I'm going to go ahead and copy the link, and I'm going to paste it in there. I like to make sure we define a width because we want it to look like it belongs properly. This is our signature, Kirsten and Jeanne. Then I have another box here with an image of us, and if you wanted to replace that, again, you just go here, and I've set up a folder called video emails. You could upload your file from here. I like to make sure that's 100 width. It'll automatically size the height. You don't want this signature image to be too big. We just have a little PS at the bottom ready to take your business to the next level. If you want to keep this, you can do that. The last thing on here is to make sure that you have an unsubscribe option at the bottom of the video. Obviously you saw me hit save, and up here we're going to change this to how to start YouTube channel. That's just going to be our internal name so we know what this email is all about. Save again. I'm going to click on send or schedule. You can see we can send this now. We can schedule it for a later time. The from email is going to be your email. That would be Jeanne at 6 figure. I usually put Jeanne and Kirsten. The email subject line. Now I like to find a nice emoji to put here. We're going to find the fire one. If we go ahead and click on the fire, we can copy this right here. I like to put in brackets either new video or video because video gets a lot more opens than a regular email. We're going to put a really compelling subject line here, like "want to finally set." Some of the email softwares will not only show the subject line, but they'll show also what's called a preview text. This will show up as a little bit gray, maybe a little smaller than the subject line. I always like to put something in here just in case it does. Easiest way to start your YouTube channel, open and save. The last part of this is who is it going to? So you can either select individual people, you can send to what we call a smart list. You can set up that smart list in the contact section. Once you have selected that, you will be able to save, and then you'll be able to schedule it. I don't have a contact list set up here. We'll just send it and then we will schedule it. You'll see it shows up here. How to start a YouTube channel. This is the date that we scheduled it, the date and time, which is now. And refresh the page. It shows you that it's scheduled. If at any time you want to go back here and make an edit to it, you can. There's also actions if you want to reschedule it or make a copy of it or archive it or delete it or move it to a folder. Maybe you have a folder set up called emails for videos. You can go ahead and do that now. That's all there is to it.